What's going on, everyone? Corey from Raceseng here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do an install on a tug ring. So let's head over to the bench and see what's all in the box. Alright, so opening the box here, you have your tug ring and shaft. We have a little welcome card here with a background story of who we are and your sticker, and then a QR code that you can scan that takes you to the install guide page of our website. And then breaking down the tug ring and shaft here, you have your ring, your specific shaft for your vehicle, and then you have this nut to lock the alignment of the ring so it's nice and straight on your car. Going over the tools we're going to use for this install, we have a little plastic pry tool here to get the bumper cover piece out, a drill with a brush on the end to clean out the bumper beam threads. This is our tug shaft tool here with a 20mm hex on the bottom to tighten the shaft into your bumper beam, and then a hex on the front for the shaft nut. And if you don't buy that, any 20mm socket and ratchet will work fine. So let's head over to the car and start the install. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is remove this plastic cover piece here on the bumper cover. So we're going to use our trim prying tool here and pop that out like so, and that'll give you access to the bumper beam inside. And to do this install properly, we're going to remove this piece completely so we can drill a hole in this so that we could put it back in and make it look as OEM as possible. So depending on how old your car is or where you may live, if you have a lot of road salt and stuff like that, these threads could be pretty bad, so it might take you a little bit to get them pretty clean so that the shaft threads in nicely. So now you're ready to install the shaft into the bumper beam. We're going to go ahead and apply some grease onto this so it threads in nicely, and then when you go to take it out, whenever it's going to come out easily. So some cars, including this one, they may have left-handed threads. So when you go to install this, you're going to have to turn it left to tighten it instead of right. And then when tightening it, you'll feel it stop on the shoulder on the back side, and that'll be tight enough. You don't have to crank this down super tight. So once you have the shaft installed, the next step is to get this lined up so that we can get a hole drilled in there and reinstalled so it looks OEM as possible. So our little trick is take some masking tape and line it up so that you are just leaving the tug shaft open in the middle, like so. The only thing you can see there is the tug shaft. And then what we're going to do is we're going to peel this up. Like so. Don't take it completely off, just peel it up. Take the tug shaft back out. Reinstall your plastic cover piece. And now lay the tape back down exactly how it was. And now you know where you need to drill your hole. So I'm going to go ahead and use an automatic center punch and make a dot in the center of that area so I can drill it out. All right, now that you have this marked out, we're going to go ahead and use this step bit here and get this drilled out big enough so that the tug shaft can fit through the hole. All right, so once you got this hole drilled out, we're going to go ahead and reinstall the tug shaft. Reinstall the plastic bumper cover piece. I'm going to put some tape on this just to protect the paint while I'm tightening everything down, like so. And now we can go ahead and install the tug ring. So thread this all the way in until it stops. you can see there that it's not straight. So turn it back out until it's straight, and then tighten down the shaft nut to lock it in place, like so. Bend down the tow hook. We can take off the tape now. So that's it, we're done. Tug ring is installed. So until next time, enjoy the drive, and thank you for watching.